So it really works very well in the forest. It's a very modern and cool building.
Hidden in these woods is a 15-foot-high, 13-foot-wide structure. In it, you can literally hide in plain sight. Or, if you prefer, really take time out to reflect on the meaning of it all. Because this is a hotel made entirely of mirrors. It's the boyhood dream of owner Kent Lindvall.
When I was young, I built my own tree houses, and I can have a feeling of freedom to sit up in the tree and look down to the other people.
So Kent got thinking, maybe everyone else would like to be a kid up a tree again. He called a team of brilliant architects and gave them a nice grown-up challenge, sustainable luxury at one with nature. So for $600 a night at the Tree Hotel, you get a double bedroom, an eating area, and a bathroom. What's amazing is that this whole 6-ton structure is supported by a single living pine tree, just 10 inches wide. That's all down to some clever engineering. The hotel was built in 2 halves, then lifted into position with cranes on either side of the tree. It's held in place by some stabilizing, almost invisible wires and a series of tree-friendly metal rings, giving the impression that it's just floating in the forest. Scotch pines are very sturdy trees, but no one had ever attempted to build anything like this before.
Nobody really knows to 100% that it will be work like this.
So Kent sought the advice of some experts at the local university who suggested a way he might strengthen his supporting tree. But first, he had to get it to talk to the other trees.
Sounds crazy. Until a few decades ago, I think people would have said you were crazy, but there's increasing research showing now that there is quite an advanced levels of signaling, perhaps even communication between plants.
If one tree gets damaged, the other tree can in some way feel it or get connection with that.
Many plants, when they experience attack by insects or other kinds of herbivores, they raise the levels of defensive chemicals inside their leaves and their stems. And it's very common that they release chemicals into the air or down through the roots into the soil. And this induces these same changes in the neighboring plants as well.
When pine trees are chopped down, their stumps are believed to send out a chemical aroma as a signal to other nearby trees to strengthen themselves against attack. So Kent experimented with a couple of trees near the hotel he was planning, and lo and behold, his pine tree produced extra sap to strengthen itself too.
If you want to make a tree house, a tree hotel, you must be sure that it works because you take in guests. And we have seen now, after 2 years, it has been storm, rain, snow, and it still worked really good.